it's me again from GITEX 2021, and I'm here now with Mr. Hadi Mali.
Yes.
I hope I said it right.
Yeah, kind of.
The Honourable CEO of Agora. Aren't we honoured today? Anyway, so Hadi, tell me, first of all, give me a brief introduction of Agora and what it stands for in the UAE itself.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so Agora is basically a Greek word that means a place of gathering. So it used to be back then the center of activities in a town. This is where basically a marketplace to exchange ideas and to do business.
Like a mattress, yeah?
Yes, exactly. And that's exactly what Agora is. We are facilitators. We are connectors. We want to help companies do two things: get new clients, expand into markets, and help them raise funds. So we are deal facilitators. We connect companies that are raising funds with investors, and we connect companies that want to expand their market with the right partners and clients.
Okay, amazing. That's a fantastic introduction to Agora. A majlis in the UAE for new venture capitalists as well, I presume.
Yes.
And new companies. That's why they're here in TDFI. So what made you come here and sort of like be part of this organization in itself?
Sure. So TDFI is a trusted partner of Agora. We've been working with them for a while right now. TDFI brings to the table some amazing projects. The product that they bring to the investors are very well vetted projects. They have a business proposition that is functioning. They have usually revenue streams. They have clients. They have already made the first step towards going to market. And this is where most of our investors are looking to invest in. Okay. Companies that already have shown proof of concept, companies where the founders have put in skin in the game. They've invested their own money, exactly, to get it started. And this is why we are invited today by TDFI to run the entire day today. We're bringing some of our investors here to look at the projects, and we are planning with TDFI our next event, which is going to be in November.
Okay. With the COVID pandemic, have you seen a decrease in the investment opportunities, or have you seen an increase because purely people are out there now thinking of the next idea to bring forward?
Right. So in the MENA region, the investment in startup has gone up by around $200 million in the first 6 months of 2021 compared to the entire amount in 2020.
Wow.
So basically, if we continue the trend until the end of 2021, we're going to see the amount of investment poured into the startup ecosystem in the MENA region double. So, an increase by 100% almost from 2020 to 2021. 2019 saw a dip from 2018. So that was the effect of the pandemic. Markets usually don't like uncertainty. So whenever anything major happens, they take a holding position to see how things are moving. Now we're beyond that, and they're starting to reinvest again.
Brilliant, awesome. What's your views on blockchain and crypto now being the focus of a lot of companies, a lot of organizations, governments as well? What's your personal view on that?
Okay, so blockchain, we have been at the center of the blockchain ecosystem here since 2018. We launched the first event that was dedicated to investing in digital assets back in 2018, September 2018. The market has grown tremendously. Dubai has made, the UAE in general, has made tremendous advancement in positioning itself as a center for excellence in blockchain. When I look at blockchain, I look at it from two different perspectives. From the investment perspective, which is investment in digital assets, and I've seen how much this part of the market has matured.
Absolutely.
In 2018, most of the projects out there were very, experimental, let's put it this way. People raising funds based on white papers and so on. now this market has matured, and institutional investors are looking into this right now. So the offering is much more serious than it was in 2018 from digital investment point of view. And then I look at it from an actual application, real life application. What is being done right now in blockchain that you can see, touch, and feel, and you can see an impact on it in real life. There's a very big push from the UAE government, from Dubai in particular, to adopt the blockchain as really a disruptive technology in the way that they are delivering services. And we're starting to see some of these examples come to life. So it's really great to be at this stage right now. And if you think about it, even with all these excitement, with all what we are seeing right now, we're still really at the infancy of this, of the potential of where we can be in 5, 10, 15 years from now.
I mean, the way I look at it, we're still at the inception stage where, you know what, we're still calculating not just the risk, but the potential benefits that it can bring in the long term.
Absolutely.
But I think Dubai is well positioned, like you said yourself. It's well positioned in the world global economy to develop and enhance what's already in.
Absolutely. I mean, Dubai has been amazing at attracting talent. And like any nascent technology, your most important talent right now is talent. Your most important asset, is talent. So Dubai has really been great at establishing itself as a center for excellence for talent attraction. Absolutely. In everything, not only blockchain, in everything. But blockchain is now, taking a little bit more of a focus or a center point at this talent acquisition. Yeah. Exactly.
So how do you position Agora Group now going forward, knowing that MENA is going to be the capital tech hub,
right?
In the region, Dubai, should I say, will be the tech hub. Where does Agora stand with promotional aspects and bringing talent, like you said, acquisition talent from different global economies?
Right. Okay, so Agora, as I mentioned, we've been at the center of the blockchain ecosystem here in the region. We've done already 8 events that are focusing on promoting, educating the blockchain community in the UAE. Most of our attendees at these events are really amazing blockchain projects coming from all over the world.
I can see that.
Yeah, exactly. And you can see, I mean, from my personal experience, that I would say maybe 30 to 40% of each project that come to our event actually decide to set up in Dubai.
Fantastic.
So this is our small contribution as a company to attracting talent to Dubai, to attracting business to Dubai, because I mean these guys, when they open up an office in Dubai, they need an office, they need to recruit people, so they contribute to the advancement of economy in Dubai. It's a small contribution, but nonetheless I think an important contribution, because we are working in a niche market and we are able to bridge the gap between Dubai and the rest of the world and promote Dubai on world stage as a destination of choice for talent and for investment.
Absolutely fantastic. On that note, I'd like to end it, but do you have any last words for the people of Dubai and blockchain itself and Agora?
Well, we have the 8th edition of the Global Blockchain Congress coming up on November 8th and 9th. It's taking place at the Sofitel, the Obelisk, near Wafi Mall. So please do get in contact with us to find out more, and hopefully we'll see you there at the event.
Thank you very much. That was Hadi Malib, the Honorable Hadi Malib, and I hope to see you again soon, sir.
Thank
you very much.
Thank you.